For those who have been asking about the current status of the BRP Conrado Yap PS-30, the lone Pohang-class corvette serving in the Philippine Navy, this video finally provides a clear and definitive update. The BRP Conrado Yap, once a frontline corvette of the Republic of Korea Navy, has played a unique and symbolic role in the Philippine fleet. As the only ship of her class in service, she stands apart, not just in design and origin, but in mission profile, capabilities, and the operational lessons she brings to a Navy in the middle of a long-term modernization effort. Commissioned into the Philippine Navy in 2019, BRP Conrado Yap filled an important capability gap at a time when the fleet was transitioning from aging Cold War-era platforms to more modern, missile-capable surface combatants. With her anti-surface and anti-submarine warfare design, she offered a level of combat credibility that went beyond patrol duties, serving instead as a true warship optimized for coastal defense, escort missions, and maritime security operations. As of today, BRP Conrado Yap is undergoing retrofitting and maintenance work at a shipyard in General Santos. This is not a cosmetic refit, nor a routine port call. It is a necessary technical intervention to ensure the ship's long-term operability and safety. One of the most significant updates confirmed is the installation of new propellers, clearly visible in the latest video footage circulating among defense watchers. Propellers are critical to a warship's propulsion efficiency, acoustic signature, and overall maneuverability, especially for a corvette originally designed for anti-submarine warfare. The Philippine Navy currently operates BRP Conrado Yap as a standalone platform. There are no sister ships in the fleet to rotate duties with or share logistics pipelines. That reality means maintenance periods can appear longer, but they are also more deliberate and thorough. When BRP Conrado Yap eventually returns to service, she will resume her role as a high-end surface combatant, complementing newer ships rather than competing with them. While she lacks modern anti-ship missiles, her naval gun, sensors, and endurance still make her valuable for patrol, escort, and presence missions, especially in areas where visible naval deterrence matters. It signals that the Philippine Navy is committed not only to acquiring new platforms, but to sustaining and maximizing existing assets, even when those assets come with logistical challenges. In a region where naval power is measured not just by ship counts, but by readiness and sustainment, this matters. BRP Conrado Yap may be a single ship, but her story reflects a broader transformation underway. One where the Philippine Navy is evolving from a force focused on presence to one increasingly defined by capability, professionalism, and technical competence. So for those asking where she is and when she will return, the answer is clear. BRP Conrado Yap is currently in General Santos, undergoing necessary retrofitting and maintenance, including the installation of new propellers. She will take time to return to active service, but when she does, she will rejoin the fleet better prepared to serve in an increasingly complex maritime environment. And in that sense, her temporary absence is not a loss, but an investment. Because modern navies are not built on new ships alone, but on the ability to keep every ship ready for the mission. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on Philippine defense and modernization. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.